Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at a few different ways to weld your titles. But let's start with a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, we're going to be just covering some welding options like I mentioned earlier, and a few unique ways you can use it in your titles if you want to get more creative. So then obviously we have the basic text here, it just says Billy, and then classic spacing and so forth. Now the one way we can do it is obviously we cramp everything together, but still making sure it's readable. You could also change the heights of the L's if you want it. If you want to make it a bit more dynamic, perhaps bring one down, just select the one there, move that one up, and then maybe scale the B. But something in that line could work. And then obviously when we go to print preview, we'll have a look at all of them now. So this is the one way, so you kind of cramp everything up together and make sure that under the style, the weld is selected, the style panel. So with all of these examples, we've got the weld on, just so you guys know. Next one is you've got your name and you make a basic, just another shape at the bottom of a rectangle or something that goes through all the shapes. Then when we weld it, it will be a one singular shape. On top here, we've got like, let's say a helmet. It can be any shape really. And then we've typed this on an arc, so it fits the roundness of the helmet. And then we just weld that together. Now this one, obviously we've got a key, and then you have the key actual word written into the side of it, and then once we weld, all these joints will be gone. So now if we go here to preview, now we can just have a quick look. Now as we can see that in the final one, it will cut this out as one vinyl, which could look pretty nice. Same with the Billy, so all of these internal overlaps will be gone, and it's still readable. And then this one, you'll see the whole bottom here is kind of welded into one piece, a single vinyl, and it'll just be your circle for the eye that will be different. And once again, also with the key, as you can see, the vinyl, where it overlaps, it actually merges. So now obviously there's hundreds of different ways you can be more creative, but this is just kind of give you an overview of things you could look at. It's a good starting point because we've got you can use curved text, you can use text that's going vertically or horizontally, and you can quite frankly throw the text into each other and make it still design ready. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on the actual welding tiles. And then otherwise, if we head here to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. And then otherwise, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned in the intro video, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also we have this nice little search option. So if you don't want to go manually through the list, you can just hit here, type in something, and hit your search button. But if you still run dry and you don't get or don't find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the little form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.